a 5-year-old Chinese man, whose name on the internet is now only one Mr. Tiger. Today, he is viral on social media. But behind this virality, there is no trend, no shortcut. There is only one man's incredible patience, hard work, and a kind of strange madness. Once upon a time, he had a small construction business where he built houses for others, built structures, and his own life also went on as usual. But there are moments in a person's life when he suddenly decides to change everything, and that's where Mr. Tiger stood. Without any big announcement, without revealing any plans, he closed his business one day and returned to his village home, where there were only mountains, rocks, and solitude. He chose this solitude as the place for his new dream. He decided he would cut down a mountain and build a house for himself, which would not only be a place to live, but also a whole world made by his own hands. The beginning was incredibly simple. He had a jackhammer, a diamond-tip drill, and a few basic tools. No big machines, no team, just him, and the hard, unforgiving stone wall in front of him. The first few days were the hardest. Getting into the rock required not just strength, but also technique, patience, and the right timing. He slowly hammered into the rock, drilling small holes, then inserting plugs into the holes to break the rock in a controlled manner. He used water throughout the process to keep the drill bit from overheating, reduce dust, and keep the work moving. It took him hours to clear each inch, sometimes working in the same spot day after day, but he never stopped. Day after day, night after night, his struggle continued. It may have been a strange task to the outside world, but to him it was the only way to move forward toward his dream. After about 55 days, he noticed a change for the first time. A door slowly emerged from the stone wall, as if a path for light to enter from the darkness was being created. At the same time, a small window began to form, which became important not only for light, but also for the movement of air inside, especially when he decided to remove the huge stone column in the middle of the interior. Then the situation became even more dangerous. This column was an important part of the entire structure, and to remove it, he had to work very carefully and step by step. Slowly, after countless hours of hard work, he cut the column. And the amazing thing is that he did not throw away the round pieces of stone that came out, but used them for various purposes, even using them as wheels to move heavy objects. This is where his work becomes not just construction, but a kind of creativity. After 258 days, the dark cave is no longer the same. It gradually begins to take the form of a planned house. He uses a laser level to level the floor so that the next steps can be done perfectly. Then begins the installation of tiles, grouting, and electrical lines. Installing electrical lines safely inside the cave, arranging water, these were very complicated tasks, but he completed each step patiently. To ensure ventilation, he enlarges the window so that enough light and air can enter inside. He creates beautiful designs on the walls with wooden panels and uses old things to make furniture which at first glance do not indicate that they are recycled materials. Water and the silence of the environment combine to create a kind of tranquility. Every corner, every wall, every design shows his hard work and attention. After 20 months, the project stands in a state that can simply be called an apartment inside the mountain. It's not just a house, it's a story. The story of one man single-handedly making the impossible possible. Yet, surprisingly, he still doesn't think it's quite finished. He thinks it will take him another year to complete this project, because to him, it's not just a construction project. It's his own dream, his own sea. Today's story ends here. If you liked the video, then let us know by giving it a like. And if you want to see such incredible, real yet surprising stories, stay subscribed to Morocode. Because here we don't just tell stories, we show those aspects of reality which are sometimes more incredible than imagination.